Mississippi. Supposed to rain here after a while. Just got my windshield wiper blades on the 16. We finna eat this Pop-Tart. Get down there and do just a couple things. Not a lot that I gotta do, but one thing I wanted to do is check some clover that we sprayed the other day. And check a couple more things out, and then we gotta come back and get some things done around here. So, we'll be back. Alright y'all, our chemical's starting to work. It's a little, see how much taller it is than it is over there. Got some pretty good clover in here. May end up having to come spray some of this. Alright, this clover right here is looking pretty good. You can see the difference in the, may not can on this camera, but the darker green and then it's turning brown. Sprayed this kind of late, but it's doing good. Just found a pretty good shed too. Got that little kicker there. And they're gonna be pretty nice next year. Gonna have quite a bit of character. Alright y'all, me and Pete got everything done we needed to get done over here in Mississippi. Clover looking good. May have to do just a little bit more spraying. Pretty nice shed we found. I'm gonna have to get some cameras out before too long. I don't fool with cameras just a lot, but I think that's gonna be part of the program we want to incorporate over here in our new management deal over here in Mississippi. I think it's gonna be important to kind of keep up with that. And we headed back to Alabama. Probably gonna end up over at the speed shop today, trying to get the street stock done. Looks like more rain coming, so dadgum. We've been getting a lot of races rained out here lately, so probably gonna try to get the street stock maybe pretty close to being done today, and I'm ready to start back on the mod. Get it back going. Back at the speed shop. New front end's gonna come together pretty good. Easy edge. Nice, makes it stronger. Got us a new fender done. Reeve it together. I don't know why they quit falling in there. New fender. Back together, slowly but surely. Alright y'all, she's just about back ready. We decided to reuse this piece. We whooped on the hood. We're going to reuse it. Got to put the scoop back on. Reuse the nose. No need in throwing good stuff away. Got a new nose in the box. We decided to use this one. Ain't too bad, is it? The 5 is almost back alive.